the blessing of the Lord when it comes to marriages is in Genesis, di ba? When God put man together in the garden. Anong unang nangyari nung the fall of man? Eve was the first one who bit the forbidden fruit, right? And then it was Adam next. So when God was strolling around in the garden and he could not find them, he saw them hiding. Anong unang nangyari? Si Eve, she said, si Adam, tinanong ni Lord. Sabi niya, why are you hiding? Did you take a bite from the forbidden fruit? And then anong ginawa ni Adam? He pointed to Eve. Sinisi niya si Eve. Anong ginawa ni Eve? Eve now pointed to the serpent. What did the serpent do? Wala, kasi wala naman daliri yung serpent. So wala siyang magawa. Pero ano yung lesson doon? The theological perspective there is we have this habit of blaming people. So yun eh, hindi, kasalanan mo, hindi ko kasalanan yan. The reason why we're falling apart is because of you. It takes a lot of grace, my friends, to really own up to to say, yes, I can be capable of making mistakes. And in relationships, very important yan eh.